Champions League final Spurs versus Europa League winning Man United. Hugo Lloris or Sergio Romero?
What? Centre back v keeper?
No, Romero, he was like Argentinian.
Yeah, no.
For United.
Oh. Prime Lloris, best keeper in the league.
Kieran Trippier or Antonio Valencia?
He did bits for us.
All the way around or Smalling?
Fuck off, Smaller, you having a giggle?
Vertonghen or Blind?
Vertonghen.
Daily Blind, though, good player.
Fuck off, Vertonghen.
That's it, fuck off. All right, we'll go to the next one. Danny Rose or Luke Shaw?
Rose was up and down. I'm gonna go Luke Shaw.
Musa Sissoko or Ander Herrera?
The most underrated player the fucking Prem's ever seen. Sissoko was built different.
Christian Eriksen or Paul Pogba?
Longevity, Ericsson. I'd marry that bloke.
Dele Alli
Oh,
or
fuck off, Dele Alli. Best
Hat trick. Fuck off.
youngster Prem's ever seen. Best youngster in the world.
or Wayne Rooney?
Fuck off.
You said he's the best youngster you've seen.
I
Wayne
cried
Rooney,
left.
first on the
I
scene
cried
when he
when
was
he left.
16 though.
Fuck off. I cried when he left.
Heung-min Son or Marcus Rashford?
Close for Son any day.
Before we get to the 9, guys, there's a follow button right there.
talking
Help me get to
about
30k. Harry Kane or
Fuck off, Kane. I don't want to hear it, fucking Kane.
Zlatan Ibrahimovic?
Are you having a giggle?